Let's see how to drive traffic to your website using Facebook Story in Facebook page from your PC or laptop. So let's start the video lesson. First, in Facebook page, we need to click this three-dotted More menu button. And next, we need to select Add to Story, which will bring us to this page, where we have two options, to add a photo story, or to add a text story. I will be using a photo story in this video lesson. We need to click Open the photo story. By default, we need to upload an image to the story. Once we select the image and upload it to the story, this is how it will look. We need to resize the image with this slider option. And we can move the image anywhere within this story container. Next, we can add a text caption to the story. We can change the style of the text with these options. I will go with casual for this story, and move it around to place it in an organized way. And below, we can add a button link to drive users to our website. By default, when we add the button, the shop is what we see on the button. We can change it by selecting Web Link option. Here are some of the text that we can choose from to be visible on the button. And finally, we can add our website link to drive web traffic to it. We can add more than one text caption in Facebook Story. I will add another brief text above the button. Like the image, we can drag the text caption anywhere we want within the story container. We can change the color of the caption to match the color theme of the story. Once we click the Share Story button below, our photo story will be live. To view and confirm our photo story is published, we can go Story section of our Facebook page, in which we published the story. And here it is. When Facebook users click on the button, they will be taken to my website. And done. I am hoping this content will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when I add more videos.